Receiving verifies that incoming Panasonic Nanoe-X air purifier units match purchase and transport conditions. Early serialization ensures full traceability throughout assembly and testing. Sampling inspection confirms cosmetic and functional integrity before release to production.
Clear quarantine prevents non-conforming parts from entering the assembly line.
We need more Nanoe-X modules at Station 3. Coming right up, moving the rack now.
Power sequence initiated. Check Station 4.
4 is green. Torque tools calibrated.
Calibrated torque tools ensure consistent and safe mechanical fastening. Consistency check. Tool calibration.
Seating is secure. The tolerance on this top panel is within spec.
Good. I'm marking that complete on the checklist.
Controlled fastening prevents loosening and protects plastic housings. Secure electrical connection ensures stable plasma generation during operation.
Proper harness routing prevents abrasion and electrical failure over time. Harness management supports safety and reliability before enclosure. Short buffering balances line flow and protects upstream quality gains.
Controlled WIP release maintains sequence and traceability.
Correct filter orientation is essential for airflow efficiency and filtration performance.
Multi-layer filtration enhances odor and gas removal capability.
Accurate panel alignment ensures consistent airflow and appearance. Controlled fastening maintains structural integrity and cosmetic alignment. Sensor feedback ensures the enclosure is fully and evenly seated. Pre-test connection prepares the unit for controlled power verification.
Ground testing verifies basic electrical safety before live operation.
Only units that pass safety tests proceed to functional evaluation. Controlled fixtures prepare the unit for repeatable functional testing. Nanoe-X verification ensures the air treatment feature operates correctly.
Only fully compliant units advance to final finishing and packing.
Decision gates separate conforming units from those needing correction.
Foam cushioning protects the product from shock during transport. Primary packaging begins after all tests and finishing are complete.
Verified labels ensure accurate logistics and traceability.
Buffered cartons balance flow into downstream logistics operations.
Sealed cases protect multiple units during bulk transport. Weight checks confirm correct unit count and packaging integrity. Automated palletizing ensures stable and repeatable load patterns. Stretch wrapping secures the load for safe storage and transport. Pallet labeling links finished goods to production and quality records. Controlled transport prevents damage and maintains inventory accuracy. Paired recyclables are transferred responsibly to certifiable partners. Material segregation enables controlled recycling of non-conforming parts. Metal scrap is separated to support efficient downstream recycling. Controlled storage prevents environmental and safety risks. Careful loading protects finished goods during transport.
Organized storage maintains product integrity and inventory visibility.
Verify the POSO shipment, please.
Confirmed. Pallet ID 88C matches the manifest.
A cleared line signals controlled completion of the production run.
Finished air purifiers begin their journey to distribution channels. A reset line ensures readiness for the next manufacturing cycle.
Our defect rate spiked here at the 3 o'clock mark.
We implemented the adjustment on the robotic arm right after that.
Yeah. Let's monitor that closely for the next shift.
Short refreshers reinforce standardized assembly practices.
Restocking ensures uninterrupted flow for the next order. Clear status visibility supports coordinated factory operations.
Order closure confirms all units are built, tested, and shipped.
Clear corridors reflect controlled material flow and housekeeping. Retained samples support future quality investigations if needed.
Archived records ensure regulatory and customer compliance.
A clear rework area confirms all units met release criteria.
Clear readiness signals support smooth transition to the next build.
Visible safety metrics reinforce compliance culture.
Tracking recycling outcomes supports environmental accountability.
Clear status marking confirms the air purifier build is finished.
A cleared staging area confirms shipments have departed as planned.
Inventory updates ensure system accuracy after shipment.
A steady exterior reflects controlled factory operations. An idle hall confirms the production cycle has fully concluded.
Accurate logs close the loop on waste accountability. A reset packout area ensures smooth startup for the next run.
Accurate dock planning supports smooth inbound and outbound logistics. Dock planning follows cleared outbound operations.
A clear and orderly facility reflects controlled industrial operations. Reset pallet supply prepares logistics equipment for the next shipment cycle. System confirmation closes the loop between production and logistics.
Certified partners handle recyclable materials responsibly.
Sealed disposal prevents environmental and safety risks.
The completed line reflects a controlled and fully closed manufacturing process.
Perimeter security confirms controlled site conditions after operations.
Central status visibility confirms all processes are safely concluded. A quiet facility reflects disciplined completion of industrial operations.
The production cycle ends with a fully reset and compliant factory environment.